Tracking a threat for severe weather in our area as well that's going to move in Tuesday evening and throughout the day Wednesday until Wednesday night. This includes all of southeastern Louisiana and southern Mississippi, included in a level 2 slight risk for severe weather. We're going to see a line of storms form. It's going to move across the southern plains and into our region, and it could bring us all forms of severe weather. We're looking at heavy rains, could cause flooding, gusty winds, and isolated tornadoes as well. So tracking out that threat. Right now, the system is well to the west of us, but you can see that very well on our water vapor graphic here. You can see that counterclockwise spin of the low pressure system as it moves over the Rockies, bringing some snowfall to the region, and we have a very, very strong trough digging across the southern plains right now. Now, we're getting southwesterly flow aloft right now. That's where those darker colors are here, moving in from the southwest. So we're seeing that cloud cover a bit out there. But right now, we're mostly staying dry, and this warm front just to the south of us is actually bringing us those warmer conditions as well. We're in the 70s. We're getting easterly winds for the most part, but this is going to continue to push up towards the northeast and switch our wind directions from the south. And you can also see where we're getting some moisture across Oklahoma right now. The southwesterly flow aloft combined with that southerly flow on the surface is starting to fuel some storm activity across Oklahoma and the southern plains. And as this low pressure system dips down from Colorado, we're going to see that interaction cause some severe weather. So dew point's pretty high. We're in the 60s right now in southern Louisiana, and then over towards East Texas, also in the 60s. That is very high for the winter time, and that's because of all that southerly wind that's fueling that Gulf moisture getting drawn up to the north. That moisture stream continues well up to the north into the Midwest Tuesday and Wednesday, and we're going to see a lot of moisture. That is one of the ingredients that we need for severe weather Tuesday and Wednesday, really consolidating, and that storm potential energy increases significantly into Wednesday as well, where you see these dark orange colors. That's that storm energy. It means we have a lot of that in the area. So our severe weather outlook starts up in Oklahoma and Texas. We do see that move down towards the southeast Tuesday. The highest risk is this enhanced, the level 3, across northern Louisiana. That's where they have the highest potential to see that severe weather, but that doesn't mean that we can't see it just because we're in a level 2. Slight risk extends all the way through southeastern Louisiana and southern Mississippi, and then into Wednesday we see that slight all the way through the Florida Panhandle. So this is a very extensive system. We're going to see that severe weather impacts well to the east of us as well. So tomorrow, moving across Louisiana as we go throughout the day, early Wednesday starting to make its way towards our area. You can really see that line up there. And then isolated storms in this system is what we're worried about for that severe weather potential. We definitely could get damaging straight line winds and heavy rainfall. Look at our future rainfall. We have a lot of that heavy downpours. We're going to continue to see that move through into Wednesday. So this is throughout the day, Wednesday, Thursday. Once that cold front moves through, it's going to get pretty chilly by the end of the week. So we can see all of those severe weather threats. Make sure you have a way to get those weather alerts as we go throughout Tuesday night and into Wednesday. Now, flood risk, we're concerned about that as well. We do have a slight risk for flooding. Most areas could see 2 to 3 inches of rainfall. Some of those isolated, heavier storms could see 3 to 4 inches of rainfall. Definitely something that could cause street flooding as we go throughout the day Wednesday. So if you do head out on the roads Wednesday, you might have to worry about that as well. Once that system moves through, here's all of that cold air. Look at all that snow to the north of us. We could see maybe a few showers Saturday, but for the most part, we're going to have dry, cool air over the region from this system. We've been hot, well above average over the last 7 days. We were near record temperatures 3 of the days this week. And that's going to change. We're going to have this low pressure system unload all of that cold Arctic air on us. This is causing that severe weather for tomorrow. And then we have another low coming down from the Arctic into the end of the week. So we're going to see the chance for a longer stint of cool air. We have to make it through that severe weather threat first, so make sure that you're aware of that as we head into the middle of the week. By the weekend, we'll be in the 50s for our highs, guys.
All right, the cold weather is coming,
It is coming, but we have to get through these next couple of days. The humidity right now, Hannah, it's too much.
It is a lot, and that's that storm energy. You can really feel when it's going to have that potential to see those stronger storms, because tomorrow it's going to be muggy and hot, and then by Thursday we're going to have to break out the coats.
All right.